This 2019 Renegade RV Verona 40VRB is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Renegade RV is 40 feet 2 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Cappuccino Decor, Brandy Wine Hardwood Cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, stovetop burner, external shower, leveling jacks, slideout, awning, air conditioning, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach, front dinette, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2019 Renegade RV Verona 40VRB is built on a Freightliner M2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.